Hello everyone, today we talk about what is Tron. The Beginner's Guide. Launched at the head of 2017's Cryptomania. Tron has since galvanized a global group of investors and developers around a vision from how cryptocurrencies could reshape the internet, but if the goal of using blockchains to create a distributed web was common among projects launching at the time, Tron distinguished its offering with communications that resonated even as criticisms about its technology persisted. For instance, Tron was rare among cryptocurrencies launching in 2017 in that it didn't seek to advertise any advances in cryptography or network design. Rather, the basic building blocks of Tron, decentralized application, smart contracts, token, delayed proof of stake conventions, were pioneered by other projects prior to its launch. Tron even went so far as to make components of its technology compatible with Ethereum, which spared accusations it went too far in borrowing its ideas. Tron would further differentiate with an Asia-focused go-to-market strategy that heavily relied on publishing its creator Justin Sans and translating its technical documents into a wider variety of languages than generally targeted by cryptocurrency projects. Tron went on to gain greater mainstream attention in 2018 when the non-profit spearheading its development, the Tron Foundation, acquired peer-to-peer networking pioneer BitTorrent. This acquisition presents the launch of a BitTorrent token on the Tron blockchain in 2019, a move that gave Tron the ability to market a new cryptocurrency to millions of exciting users. Who created Tron? Tron was created by entrepreneur San Yashin, Justin San, a two-time recipient of Wars 30 Under 30 award in Asia in early 2017. An established presence in China, Sun had early founded the audio content applications Paywo and served in 2015 as a representative for Ripple, the for-profit company that started the XRP cryptocurrency before founding the Tron Foundation that year. Sun's business background succeeded in attracting early interest from investors, including Clash of Kinds founder Tan Binses and CEO of bike-sharing startup OFO Dayway, among others. These supporters in turn boosted visibility of the project's September ICO, which raised millions in cryptocurrency from the public using a token on the Ethereum blockchain. A second version of the writer paper, further outlining Tron's technology, was released in 2018. How does Tron work? Initially created as a token based on Ethereum, Tron finally migrated to its own network in 2018. The process involved investors trading in their Ethereum tokens for Tron's TRX cryptocurrency. The Ethereum tokens were subsequently destroyed. General architecture like Ethereum, Tron assesses an account-based model, meaning the cryptographic keys its protocol access can control access to both TRX and TRX token balances. The Tron blockchain then routes in the exchange of this data through three layers. First is core layer. Computer's instructions written in Java or Solidity, a language designed for Ethereum, and sends them to the Tron virtual machine, which executes the logic. Application layer, utilized by developers to create files and applications powered by the TRX cryptocurrency and compatible with the software. Storage layer designed to segment blockchain data, the record of the blockchain's history, and its state data, which preserves the status of smart contracts. The alleged proof of stake to reach conscious of its larger, Tron uses a system in which a routing cost and 27 sub-representatives are interested to validate transactions and maintain the system's history. Sub-representatives are chosen every uh, 6 hours, and if chosen, earn the ability to collect new TRX generated by the protocol. Blocks are added to the blockchains every 3 seconds, and those who produced available blocks are awarded 32 TRX for their efforts, a total of 336 millions and 384,000 TRX is awarded annually. In addition to sub-representatives, users can operate 3 types of nodes on the Tron blockchain: within nodes, full nodes, and solidity nodes. Witness nodes propose blocks and vote on protocol designs, while full nodes broadcast transactions and blocks. Solidity nodes sends blocks for fluid nodes to provide APIs. More details on the network block productions and sub-representatives can be found here. And next, taking TRX on Tron. To vote on sub-representatives, Tron users need a network resource called Tron Power. Users receive 1 Tron Power for every 1 TRX they choose to log in an account that is prevented from spending its associated cryptocurrency. Upon unfair reasons, the cryptocurrency usually lose their Tron Power and the ability to vote. Tron Power cannot be traded like TRX or other tokens. Instead, on top of the Tron blockchain. Effectively, the process works the same as staking on blockchains like Tezos or Cosmos, where users earn rewards by logging up funds. And we talk about why does TRX have volume. The cryptocurrency powering the Tron blockchains is called Tronix, the smallest denominations of which is called a sun. After Justin Sun, the protocol's creator, in total 100 billion TRX was created at the time of Tron's initial coin offering, ICO, in 2017. At the time, TRX tokens were distributed as follows: public sale, 14 billion TRX, private sale, 15 billion TRX, research from the Tron Foundation, 35 billion TRX, reset for paywall, the project's internal support, 10 billion TRX. From here, there are some nuance to the Tron economics, different it from competitors that determine whether a users needs to pay for a transaction. Tron uses a systems of bandwidth points. Bandwidth points are consumed when a user makes transactions with 1 bandwidth point being distributed for every byte of data. Each account receives 5,000 free bandwidth points every day. Should a user not have enough bandwidth points to exchange a transaction, 0.1 TRX is burned per byte of data. There are also penalties on the network that may reduce the TRX supply. As an example, 10,000 TRX is burned from accounts applying to become sub-representative candidates. Until January 2021, no new TRX will be introduced by the protocol, with all new TRX awarded the sub-representatives coming from the original token allocations to the Tron Foundation. That's all. Today we will talk about what is Tron, how it's work, what is Volia, who created Tron. Thank you for your attention.